Welcome to Silage Academy. In this video, we'll be talking about subtraction of fractions. We've talked about addition of fractions in my previous video, which is obviously tagged to this video. So you can check it out for you to understand this one better if you have not seen that video. Click on the top right corner of this screen, of your screen, and you get access to my video on addition of fractions. Here we'll be talking about subtraction since we've done justice to addition. Now there are a couple of questions we have to solve here, about four of them, but as we move on, if time permits, we'll be solving more. So the first one says 3/4 minus 2/6. So let's go. We have number 1, 3/4 minus 2/6. Like we did in the previous video, is the same method you used in solving addition. That's exactly the same method you use in solving subtraction. The only difference is that here you'll be subtracting, not adding. That's all. So you find your LCM, do the division, and you subtract. That's all. Let's go. Let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. Finding the LCM of 4 and 6, we've done that in our previous video where we talked about addition. Well, let's just find the LCM for only these 4 and 6. For LCM of 4 and 6 here, you have your line, you have 4 and you have 6. What's the number that can divide 4 and 6? 2. 2 can go in 4, 2 can go in 6. 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 6 will give you 3. 2 can divide 2, but 2 cannot. So 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. It cannot divide 3, so you write your 3. What else? You try 3. 3. You have bring down 1. 3 and 3 will give you 1. So you multiply this down. 2 times 2, so you have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the LCM, our LCM here, is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Write your 12. 4 in 12, that's 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. 3 times this 3, which is the numerator, is 9. We have 9. 6 in 12 will give you 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. So 9 minus 4. And this is equal to 9 minus 4 will give you 5. That's 5/12. And this is our final answer. For question number 2, we have 6/7. 6/7 minus 3/5. The LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 35. 35 divided by 7, 735, will give us 5. 5 times 6 will give us 30. You have 30. 5 in 35 will give us 7. 7 times 3 will give us 21 minus 21. And this is equal to 30 minus 21 will give us 9. You have 9/35. Is there any number that can divide 5 and 9 and 35? No. So you remember you have to break it down to its lowest term. But since there's no number that can divide 9 and 35, this is our final answer. So this is the third question. This question can be solved in 2 ways, and we'll be solving those 2 ways here. Okay, but the most common one here is to subtract the whole numbers, which is what we did in the addition video. You subtract the whole numbers, then you find the LCM of the fraction and do your thing. Now let's go. The whole numbers here, we have 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1 will give us 2. We have 2 whole number. Let's find the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now 15. 5 in 15 will give us 3. Right? So 3 times 1 will give us 3. 3 minus 3 in 15. That's 15 divided by 3. Give us 2. Sorry, it will give us 3 in 15 will give us 5. 5 times 2 will give us 10. We have 10. 3 minus 10 cannot go, right? You have a negative sign. So what we are going to do here is that we'll borrow from the whole number. And when borrowing from the whole number is equivalent to the LCM, which is the denominator of this fraction here. So if you are borrowing 1 from 2, you are not borrowing 1, you are actually borrowing 15 to add to 3 here. That's what we are going to do. Now let's go. We borrow from this whole number, which is 2 here, but we are adding 15 to 3. So we have 15 minus 3. 15 plus 3 minus 10 over 15. This 15 now is a whole number. Now this whole number here will be 1. So you have one whole number. Then this, because you borrowed 1 from 2, so you have one whole number here. So this is now equal to one whole number. 15 plus 3 will give us 18. 18 minus 10 divided by 15. 18 minus 10 will give us 8. So you have is equal to one whole number, 8 over 15. And this is our final answer. Or the second method is this. You have 3 whole number 1 over 5 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. You convert them here, convert this mixed number, because what we have here are mixed numbers. We convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we can now solve just like we solved the other simple fractions here. So let's go. Converting this, if you don't know how to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction, please, I would advise you visit my other video where I explained it, I dissected it in a way that you understand it better. So click on the link at the top right corner of this video to go and watch that. So let's convert this. We have 5 times 3 will give us 15. 15 plus 1 will give us 16. So you have 16 over 5 minus 3 times 1 will give you 3 plus 2, it will give you 5. So you have 5 over 3. Now this is equal to, you find the LCM of 5 and 3, which is 15. So the LCM is 15. 5 and 15 is 3. 3 times 16, 3 times 16 is 48. So you have 48. 48 minus 3 and 15. That's 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. 5 times 5 will give you 25. So 48 minus 25. And this will be equal to 48 minus 25 will give you 23. 23 over 15. Remember, I say you cannot leave your answer as an improper fraction. You must always convert it to a mixed number. Converting this to a mixed number, we've also done that. If you don't know how to do that, please remember I say you should go back to our first video on introduction to fraction. That's where we explain this better. So you have 23 divided by 15 will give you 1, remainder 8 over 15. So this is your final answer, because there's no number that can divide 8 and 15. Now let's solve the last question here. Question number 4. This one includes both fraction and addition and subtraction. We've done enough video on addition. Okay, we've done enough on addition. So if you don't mind, you can go and check out some of our videos on addition. And please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I drop an important video such as this one. And remember to share this to your friends as well. That's how you support what we do here. Thank you.